Mabuhay! My name is Danica P. Aquino, but you can call me Daika for short. I am from Pembo, Makati City, 19 years old now, Virgo, and I am graduated at Arellano University, Accountancy and Business Management. And now I am freshest at University of Makati, and I am taking BS Edu, and I am excited to be part in your class because I am always eager to learn more and interested in what it has to offer. I am a motivated learner who likes challenges, and when I have free time and no classes, I like to play basketball and volleyball. And I really love playing volleyball and basketball. Way back in 2018, I played volleyball at Bonifacio High School, but I stopped because of some important reason. I also aim to try out volleyball in UMAC because I want to pursue my dream of starting to play volleyball. And we also tend to bond and sing on video okay even if there's no occasion. In addition, I expect my teacher to provide me with the opportunity to learn and understand the concept in this course in a way that I can understand and give educate feedback on my abilities in order that I can apply this knowledge and achieve my goal. So that's it. Mabuhay!